Have you ever wondered how lawyers tackle complex legal questions? Well, they don't just wing it, they use structure. Now, one of the most common tools used is the IRAC method, and it's a great way of analysing legal problems. If you're a law student, you will want to make sure you become familiar with it. IRAC stands for issue, rule, application, and conclusion. And it's the framework that lawyers and legal students rely on to break down and then solve cases step by step. Let's have a look through it. Start with I for issue. Now, this is where you ask, what's the legal question here? For example, did company X breach their contract by failing to deliver certain goods on time? Now, identifying the issue gives you the problem to solve. Next, R is for rule. What does the law say about the issue? Now, for a breach of contract, you'd look at the elements of a valid contract and what counts as a breach. And also statutes or case law like Hadley v. Baxendale might be particularly relevant here. Then comes A for application. This is where you connect the law to the facts. For example, if company X agreed to deliver goods at 5 p.m, but they arrived a day late, the failure to meet that agreed deadline might be a breach of contract. And finally, the conclusion. Now, based on the application, what's the outcome? Now, in this case, you might conclude that company X breached the contract and that the other party could actually be entitled to damages. So there's the IRAC method. It's a nice, straightforward framework for thinking through legal cases. And it isn't just for exams. It's used in practice too. It gives structure and clarity and logic to legal arguments. Start practicing it and you'll be thinking like a lawyer in no time. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. And if there's any specific topics that you would love to find out more about, let me know in the comments.